several times I tried to take my proficiency test, as far as my gateway test, and I failed it several times, and I actually got discouraged along the way. I just woke up one morning and said I need to get my diploma, and I actually put it out there on Facebook, like, where is a place that I can actually get my diploma? And one of my classmates reached out to me and said, try the Excel Center. And I looked it up, not knowing it was right in my vicinity. And I ended up making a phone call, and it was just like that. No problem. The only thing I had to do was just bring in my transcripts, and they welcomed me with open arms. Every day I walked in the Excel Center, there was joy, and it was like peace, and the excitement and the energy from the staff really was very encouraging. I mean, words can't even explain, and the joy that I have and the experience that they have with the students, and the interaction that they have with the other students as well. When they announced that we're about to actually get our diploma, it was just an excitement and an overjoyed spirit that came over me, like I made it. I started from nothing, and I ended up with my diploma, in which this right here was a stepping stone for me. I enrolled into Southwest. I'm taking a mid-management degree class, mid-management science at Southwest Community College. Also, I am enrolled in the University of Memphis in my undergrad class as well. After you get this right here, man, the sky's the limit. It's just really up to you, and are you willing to make that sacrifice to get what you need to get? Get it started now. Go get it now. So you're gonna have to go ahead on and make a choice today. Make a choice today and get your diploma so you can excel. And it started with the Excel Center.